Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. We are tracing letters from A to R. We have some circles. Let's collect light green color circles. This is light green color circles. 4 circles. Light green color. Yellow circles. These are yellow circles. Yellow color, pink circles. This is pink circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is pink color. Violet circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Violet color. Sky blue color circles. Sky blue color. Let's start drawing. Sky blue color. Sky blue color. A is for apple. Yellow color. A is for apple. Pink color. Letter B. Violet color. C.
A is for apple.
Light green color.
Apple.
D.
Apple. A. Apple. B is for baby.
E.
Baby.
This is sky blue color. Letter E.
B. Baby.
Sky blue color. This is light green color. Violet color. Pink color. Sky blue color.
C. Candy. D is for diamond.
Violet color.
Diamond.
F.
Diamond. D. Diamond. E is for elephant.
So here we have to write letter G.
Elephant. E.
G. Letter G. Pink color.
Fairy.
Next is letter H.
F. Fairy. G is for giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffe.
I.
G. Giraffe. H is for horse. Horse.
J.
Horse. H. Horse. I is for igloo.
Sky blue color.
Igloo.
K.
Igloo. I. Igloo.
Violet color.
J is for jelly.
L.
Jelly.
Here is violet color.
J.
Sky blue color.
Jelly.
Green color. Yellow color.
K is for kiwi.
Here is sky blue color.
Kiwi.
Pink color.
Kiwi. Kiwi. L is for lamb. 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 L. Lamb. M is for monkey.
Pink color.
Monkey.
M.
Monkey. M. Monkey. N is for nose.
N.
Nose. Nose. N. Nose.
O.
Is for ocean.
Yellow color.
Ocean. 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 P is for parrot.
P.
Parrot. Parrot. P. Parrot. Q is for queen.
Q.
Queen. Queen. Q.
R.
Queen. R is is for rainbow. Rainbow.
This is
R,
violet color,
rainbow. R,
yellow
rainbow.
color,
S is for sun.
green
Sun.
color, pink
Sun.
color, and here is violet
S,
color.
sun. T is for telephone. 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 T,
S,
telephone. U is for uncle. Uncle.
T,
Uncle. U, uncle. V is for
U,
violin. Violin.
V,
Violin. V, violin. W is for water.
W,
Water. Water. W, water. X is for box.
X.
Box.
Wow. The last
X,
three letters are, two letters are Y and Z. So we have done and we have learned about these circles. Dear kids, do the same practice. प्यारे बच्चों, आप भी इसी तरह practice करें and learn about these letters.